Hi guys, Pickbeard back again, and the tensile spider parcel that contains the anti-locks. This is the last, I think, challenge lock. Oh no, it's not. It's a padlock. I'm rubbish at padlocks. It is a Heritage brass. Let's give it a whirl. Bitting on the key, I'm so rubbish at padlocks. So bitting on the key, there we go, works, locked up. Let's try and give it a go. What's the worst that can happen? You just waste 12 minutes of your life trying to watch me open a padlock. Right, focusing on that. Let's go with a piece and short hook blue handle. Try and get it so it's not going to spin around in the vise. I'm struggling more with that, I think. Right, we'll give it a go. So let's try and find a binder. There's one there, I think. Notoriously, I am not very good at padlocks at all. Just switch the hook 4. I seem to be better at American padlocks, only because the tensioning is different. The nice big keyways in them, and the pinning on them as well is very similar, well, I feel, to Euro padlock, not Euro padlocks, Euro locks. Oh, look at that, and I've got it. Flipping heck. So, there is picks. Open. Well, I think I've stretched my luck enough for today. There you go. Picked open the Heritage brass. Obviously, if Pickbeard can pick it, I wouldn't put it on your shed. Thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.